Welcome back. Let's take a look at Wednesday for English. So we're going to be on slides 4 and 5 today. We're going to watch a video called Brotherly Love and complete the slides. And just double check that you have yesterday's work done as well. So there's a digital story here, and it's a Coca-Cola spot. It's called Brotherly Love. After watching the video, complete all sections on slide 5. So when you have your slides in present, you should be able to hit this link to watch the short video. It's about 2 minutes. When you watch the video of Brotherly Love, you will see the exposition, which is, in the beginning it tells us the setting with the brothers and where it's happening. You will then encounter the rising action where the big brother kind of picks and teases on the little brother. And then you'll see the boy in the park with another group of boys that start to taunt him and tease him, and they steal his Coke. At the climax, the boys do steal his Coca-Cola, and the big brother, comes in to help him out. In the falling action, the big brother returns the Coke to him, and it's kind of a nice moment that the big brother in the beginning is teasing him, but in the end he's there to protect him. But then he does tease him while he's drinking. He kind of spills the Coke on himself. And in the resolution, which is the solution to the story, you kind of get the sense that the big brother teases him, but they still have a very good relationship because the big brother is looking out for the little brother. So make sure you watch the video. It's really cute and it's really short. And then you're going to fill in this plot diagram. So you're going to talk about the setting and the characters. So you'll name, they're just kind of at home and in a park for the setting. And the characters are the two brothers. And then you'll do the rising action where you can, state how the big brother teases the little brother when they're at home. And then move on to the climax. That's the most exciting part of the story. To me, that's like when the kids in the park were bullying him, really, and they were stealing his Diet Coke, and the brother comes in to help. And then complete the falling action, so what happens after that exciting part. So you could talk about how the big brother returns the Coke to him, but then continues to tease him, like their relationship continues to be positive but still be playful. So then, after you state the following action, then you want to, in this box, write the resolution or the solution to the story, which I got the sense that even though the brother teases him at home and even teases him afterwards, he is there to look out for him and protect him, and it seems like they have a pretty good relationship. So you want to put in the resolution to the story there. So I said they have a strong relationship. The big brother teases the little brother, but he also looks out for him. So make sure those slides are done for today. Watch the little video story and complete this plot diagram.